eggplant potato. You can have it with rice, tortillas, or chapati. Doesn't this look yummy? If you love the video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Hello friends, here I have 3 green chilies, 1 tomato sliced, and 1 onion diced. Here I have a few potatoes with the peels on. You could take off the peels if you'd like to. 6 eggplants, really washed and cut into cubes. Apart from these, we'll also be using a bunch of spices. The whole thing will look very yummy. So let's get cooking. So the pan is nice and hot. Let's add around 3 tablespoons of oil. This looks good. Let's add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. You could let them pop for a minute. Now these are popping. You can add the onions and the green chilies. You could also add the tomatoes. Let's cook them till they turn slightly brown. 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Now we could add the potatoes. Eggplants. Give it a good mix and let it cook for a minute. Then we add the spices. Coming to the spices, you can add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Not to forget salt to taste. I also like to add a little bit of vegetable masala. Whenever you add these spices, just make sure no single spice is overpowering. 1 cup of water. So you can let it cook. Let's give it a good mix and let it cook for a good 15 minutes. Wow, look at this. It's well cooked. It's got a nice gravy. The eggplants. Well done. Then we got the eggplants here. Looking yummy. Guys, if you love the video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Eggplant potato fry. Look at it, doesn't this look yummy? It's really yummy. Guys, if you love the video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.